morning, everyone. It is Vlogmas day 3, Dawn's on her way to work. I think she probably made it ready. I am getting ready to head out to get our new stove. So, going to our lovely local Lowe's, and everyone can say goodbye. Bye, bye, Magic Chef. It's been fun. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Dan.
Yeah.
It's Vlogmas day 3.
I know, I already said so. Way to repeat everything, Dawn.
I'm sorry, I wasn't here.
Is this your first rodeo?
I wasn't here for the introduction, Dan.
You were not, and it wasn't really an introduction. It was just, hi, I'm going to get a stove.
Well, Dan went to go get a stove today. Look at this beauty. I'm so excited. And this countertop was built for the other old school stove, so it comes out a little bit further, but it's not going to hinder anything because both of the cabinets open this way, which is good.
Yes.
Yes. So
yes.
Now we are making soups because I'm home from work.
Soups or soup?
Just one soup.
One soup? Okay, I thought we were making multiple soups.
Nope, just one soup. So Dan's skimming
I'm playing with some
fat
fat
off of that one. I skimmed this one as much as I could. And now I'm going to cut up some veggies and the leftover turkey and then get them simmering and cooked down a little bit. And then I will transfer them to the pot with the... Well, I'll boil them for a little bit first and then add the turkey in. Yeah, then it'll be good. So, that is what's going on right now. Let's get making dinner.
Yeah.
We got noodles.
Noodles.
We got soup. And dinner is served. Yummy, yummy. We're also going to have some leftover dinner rolls from Thanksgiving with our soup. Because why not, right? We need to use them up, right, Dan?
Absolutely.
I love the Kaluski noodles.
Would you like this under your bowl?
Mm-hmm. It's hot.
It's hot?
Not the noodles, but soup's very hot. I probably filled up my bowl too much, but I had a heap of noodles down there because I love the noodles so much. I usually end up with lots of broth left over because I just go for all the noodles. Let's eat. Dan was like, I feel like all we do for Vlogmas so far this year is make dinner. But hey, that's our lives when we come home from work, right?
And when there's nothing to do outside.
And there's nothing to do outside, yep. Oh, I have to check to see if the special things are happening tomorrow.
Special things tomorrow?
Yeah.
What special things tomorrow?
You know, the thing in the village. I keep forgetting to look to see if it's happening.
Oh.
I'm going to assume that
thing?
It's probably not going to happen.
Oh, like the tree lighting and stuff?
Yeah, the tree lighting. They usually have Santa, but obviously there won't be Santa this year. But I don't know if they'll have some sort of tree lighting thing. I'll have to look it up on the town's website to see if I can find it. But until then, I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat. Christmas come early.
Ho ho ho! Or ho ho ho! Or... What is going on?
We got an impromptu unboxing for y'all.
Yeah, because...
We got us some stuff. I think we told them that.
Yeah, I think we mentioned what we were getting. I just didn't know we were getting them so soon.
I know, they came super duper quick. We just ordered them on Sunday, right?
I believe it was Sunday.
I ordered these for myself because I want to make some scones this
Whoa.
holiday season. And they're like fancy fluted biscuit cutters. And that's
straight out the British baking show.
Right? I think they're super fun.
Amazing.
It's a whole set of them too.
I see that.
I ordered them from Williams-Sonoma.
You're all set to do a technical challenge.
I know.
You just gotta pick the right one so you have the right amount of dough and then the right number to get out. Do some calculations.
That's true, because
I'll set the challenge
you
for
could
you.
choose the wrong one.
And then you have too many.
And then
Or you have too little. Anyways.
absolutely.
We
Anyways,
watch the show too much.
So
What's next?
this one looks like a waffle maker.
How can you tell?
It's got a picture of a waffle maker on
And
it.
it says waffle maker on the side. Careful not to cut yourself.
Dan, I'm a pro with the box cutter. Remember, I worked retail.
Old pro. Look at that.
So fun. So this waffle maker, not only does it have 4 compartments to make 4 Belgian waffles, like square Belgian waffles, but it also has 2, or does it make 4 pancakes?
Yep.
It's got a 4 pancake plate.
Yeah.
So
Or you can use it
that's
for like
fun.
eggs or
Yeah, I'm excited for that. For
like
like
little breakfast Sammies.
Mm-hmm.
Breakfast Sammies.
And then,
And then
super exciting. Since we're going to be making a lot of cookies this year. And some of them require the use of a food processor. Ta-da! Wow, that's a big
that
box.
is huge. It's huge.
A really big box. I didn't think it was going to be that big. But, yeah! Super fun.
11 cup
You do
food
all the
processor.
chopping.
So many things.
Chopping. I wish I had that earlier when I was chopping up vegetables for the soup, because then it would have been done like that.
Like that.
But instead, it took a little while. But that's okay, because the soup came out really good, by the way.
It did. It was delicious.
Delicious. I have some for lunch tomorrow, and then there's still a bunch left. So I made up a little lunch.
Little lunch bowl. Yep.
So fun.
There's food processor in there.
There is. Everybody will get to see it when we take it out.
Yeah, we'll take it out. We'll use it for cookie day. Maybe we'll make some waffles. Maybe we'll make gingerbread waffles.
Did I show you the fun thing that I got for us?
No.
My gosh.
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you did. Hold up. Yay. Dawn's got something to show us. What?
It's a...
Gingerbread man waffle
Oh,
maker.
I'm so excited. It's so cute.
I saw that down there. I thought, like, why do you just have one of the mini
Well,
waffle
yeah.
makers up here?
So-
Because I didn't realize it was a different one.
Yeah, so we have 2 of these mini waffle makers, like just the regular ones. But now we have a little gingerbread man one. I'm so excited to make gingerbread waffles.
One of these days we'll go downstairs and show you all the waffle makers that we have. And we actually
archive of waffle
we're actually talking
makers.
about getting another Disney one too.
Yeah.
Because they have one that makes it's like a rotating one, and it makes the little
Mickey's like
look,
you get at the resort.
yeah, little Mickey's, like, yeah, little. Actually, it's a couple different ones. It's not just Mickey, I think, right?
No, it's just Mickey.
I thought there was.
The one that your parents has to have 5, but
There's one that just does Mickey's.
yeah.
I thought, okay, well, there you go. Well, yeah, those, because we get the thicker ones.
Yeah.
Because these are all these ones are like they're Belgian waffles, but they're not like real thick ones.
These are probably
Like just regular normal waffles.
We can make gingerbread man waffles.
We could.
What?
Crazy.
Just have to find a recipe for waffles.
I'm sure it's out there
I'll
somewhere.
probably have to get some buttermilk again.
Maybe.
Those buttermilk pancakes that we made from scratch were really delicious.
Those are pretty good.
I should have
So much fun.
I should have gotten the pumpkin one when they had it for the fall time.
So we have a pumpkin one too?
We have one with
I don't think we
pumpkin.
need any more waffle makers.
Probably not.
I don't think we need a pumpkin one. That's not like gingerbread. Okay, because gingerbread are Disney. Because then Disney's like the whole year, and then gingerbread we're gonna make waffles. More boxes. I just broke down like 30 boxes the other day.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of deliveries.
Because 2020.
2020. Yeah. We order more things than we actually go to the store to buy nowadays. Because that's just the way of the world right now.
It's not gonna fit.
They also could be Christmas boxes. That could be kind of funny. We can
those would be good.
someone into thinking they're getting a food processor.
I did keep a couple of good ones, but those would be good out as well. So, and they actually, yeah, because it's always good to get Christmas boxes that have actual things on the outside.
And I think it's
Because they're like, oh, you got me a food and if you tape it up real nice, like packing tape, they're like, a food processor? I've always wanted one of those. Guess what? Gift card.
we have to. The 1 year for Dan's sister, I wrapped up a gift card in so many layers of wrapping paper. That's why last year she got me back. We'll have to try to maybe link that video. Woohoo! I never forget that you're odd. It's Dan's turn for this calendar today. Which little ornament today?
Well, I'll do this ear and you do the other ear.
Okay.
It's on the other side. There you go. Got it.
Nice.
Got it.
Now what?
Got
I
it.
bet you're gonna get
What's your guess?
PCs today.
Well, so it's like a
I think it's gonna go every other.
6 to 18. So odds are it's gonna
Miami.
be Reese's Pieces. Numero tres. Oh yeah, it's Reese's. I just smash it open.
Reese's Pieces.
All orange. How fancy is
Whoa. It's like a Halloweeny.
that? Yeah, like oh, maybe I'll get one with all of them. Like that. Those times where I got 2 bags, like a year apart, of peanut M&Ms, and there was one color, 2 of the next color, 3 of the next color, 4 of the next color, 6 of the other color.
And I got pictures at work.
I'll put pictures in.
Yeah.
I think I saw them on my phone.
Yeah, you might.
I might have got rid of them, but we'll find out. If I have them still, I'll put them in, because that was amazing. 2 separate occasions.
What are the odds?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because I'm weird and, like, take my peanut M&Ms and organize them in the colors.
It's alright. You're probably just bored at work or something and you needed something else to do.
I needed, well, it was just during lunch.
In the corner.
In the corner. What's today's thing say?
Have you written to Santa? Of course I have. Who haven't? Did you write to Santa, Dan?
Oh, you got real blurry real fast. I mean, Santa knows. You got there.
I got Santa!
What? He
Have you written to
knows.
Santa and it was Santa.
He knows. What are the odds? Delicious as always. Awesome.
Too bad they weren't like the ones with caramel in them because I like the caramel dairy milks.
Oh, is that good?
I also like the Oreo dairy milks though too. That's very good.
All of those are good.
Well, it's time for Dan to get moving. He's going to sleep so he can go get up and sit in the woods and sleep tomorrow.
Try and stay awake and try and stay warm.
It's going to be chilly.
I'll be fine.
It's going to be...
Except when it starts raining.
Yeah, it's going to be damp. Little
Little damp.
damp.
Little damp.
But tomorrow is exciting. Because the Mandalorian is on.
That's right.
The new Mandalorian. Woo!
Dum.
Bum, 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 bum.
Anyways.
I love
It's getting
Mandalorian.
late.
We love it. We enjoy how the episodes seem to like I feel like they're not as long because you like get it so into it, and then all of a sudden it's over. It's like, what? I want more.
Where's the rest of it? Just want more.
Because then also, like Star Wars franchises are normally movies outside of like the Clone Wars and Rebels and stuff like that.
Yes.
But those are cartoons. But
which I feel like we have to start watching more now because a lot of those
yeah, a lot of the
characters
characters are coming up.
So.
No spoilers.
Oh, they're just showing up in the series.
Okay. All right, everyone. We will see you tomorrow.
For day 4.
Good night.